Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix TikTok notification not showing on your iPhone. For example, if you have a TikTok account and you want to get the notification on TikTok and you are not getting, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and after clicking on general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and here you have to click on reset all network setting, and after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the TikTok app, and after that you have to check whether your notification are now working or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to profile, and you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here you have to simply report the problem to TikTok team so that they can solve the problem for you. And after that, the next thing you can do is you can simply go to settings and scroll it down, and you have to find notification, and here you have to simply find TikTok, and you have to make sure that notification is toggle on. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.